fondling the sack, Diz.
Fuck you.
No, you gotta fondle the sack.
I'm not fondling the sack, no.
But you are.
I'm not fondling the sack.
Yeah, you are. You just made YouTube's hottest playlist. Ew. I don't think that was shaked and baked enough.
No. That's because there's too many in here.
Fondle that sack, Diz. Yeah, slow go ahead. Crunchy. Shake that. You know that song, they shake that ass for me, girl, shake that ass for me.
Shake that thing, this guy.
Sean Paul. Get busy.
Oh, that one didn't.
Shake that booty, not stop
I
it.
may need to put the other package in here.
Of what? Package of what?
It's in there.
No, I'm shaking the box, so.
Oh, you're shaking the box.
There's the. I will put that as the default in this picture. I can add music. Don't drop it! That'd be sad. And every time you start to shake the bag, we'll put the music.
Shake that thing, this guy. Gotta shake. Cooking dinner. Which very rarely happens in my house. Yes, I washed my hands.
That's good. Hey, that looks good, actually. That last one you just pulled out? Okay. Food sounds good. Don't flaunt your meat, Diz. It's not a good image.
I'm trying not to flaunt my meat.
No, flaunt your meat.
I'm trying not to flaunt my meat.
Well, you're sucking at it. It's all right there.
Great, that's not gonna be stuck in my head till the gig.
Hold on, I'll play it on YouTube. Just give me a minute. I got to videotape you shaking.
But then again, it's not meant to do 5 pork chops either. Just imagine if I was in the chicken breast. I got 3 huge chicken breasts in the fridge right now.
Nice. So you got chops and tits.
Yep, I got chops and tits.
Sounds kinky.
Right.
Or black socks. Let's put black socks on him, Diz. Lady in red.
Okay,
Okay.
that's dinner halfway done.